Okay, the recording should be running. I'm about to start up the stream. Hello everybody, back up here. And today I'm going to try to build a rotor and motor factory. We will see how far I can get in about an hour. Okay, where are we at? We need to start putting up power plant, put up the miners, production, miner Mark IIs. I'm going to start on the screws. I don't like where that is. Okay. Oh yeah, we need to hook them up. And then overclock one so they're punching it 90 per minute. Okay. Now each of those needs to go into 3 smelters. Q. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Oh yeah, I need to get some more power going. I need to get power going this way. Okay. 2. 1, and there we go. All of them powered up. Let's start building splitters. One, 2, and 3. Then 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We want conveyor belt Mark IIs. Okay, that's 1. Okay. There we go. Go, everything's loaded up. Iron ingot. I forgot to. There we go. Everything's being produced. Now we're going to make mergers. We'll put it here. Okay. And there's that so far. And okay, there's half of my bars done. Oh, half of the bars that are going to be turned into screws. Now we need, okay, 3 smelters to get my 90, 5 constructors per thing to do that. Okay, one, then there, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll figure out a routing for the other set of constructors in a moment. Okay. I need a splitter to do this. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, that didn't quite work. Okay, I need to realign this one. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is, okay, and that's going to now make half of the iron rods to make screws with. This will take me a little bit to finish producing. Okay. And we're still going. Oh. And there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, got plenty of stuff being made there. Now we need whole bunch more mergers. Okay, there's the... Okay. Oh. Actually, yeah, Mark II's still good for right now. And then I need 7 constructors. As you can see, I didn't quite get my layout exactly the way I want it, but it will work. Okay. Actually, let's start over here. Lay things out. Four, 5, 6. And 7. Let's configure this to create screws. Okay, got all those set up now. Okay, another set of splitters. Input, 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 and done. Okay. Okay. See how much further we can get here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Probably should have gone up a level when making the screws. Well, it is what it is. Okay, let's build the mergers. Because at this point we are going to go up a level. I think we'll go up here. Now we need a Mark III belts for this stuff. Because I'm aiming for about 20 rotors per minute here. Okay. And that's half of the production. Wow. Yeah, I really underestimated the size of this thing. Okay. Let's use a wall, and I think up 4. Yep. And then okay, that actually we should build another set here. And one more there. Okay. Yeah, I love building things this way because it just feels like it's going to fall on top of you. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One, two, three, four, 5. Well, one will just be kind of out here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1. There we go. Okay. And okay, these have not been configured yet. Okay, that's the okay. Okay, that's all built up. Now it's time to build the whole. Okay. And then Mark II belting. Okay. Oh, okay, that's okay, that's most of that done. Okay, that's all of, okay. Okay, that's okay. And I think what I'm going to do is instead of on the bottom floor, I'm going to build the rod makers up here for these. Okay, that's, we can go one more. Okay. Actually, honestly, I only need one at 150% to make this work. Okay, let's build not a 9, 8. Oh crap, I'm out of plates. We need to go grab some stitched iron plates real quick. Let's do that. We will take the quick, easy route to do that. This will only take a minute or so. And then I could get about 100 or so stitched plates. Okay. Whee! Okay, that should be enough stitched iron plates to do that. And we will see what happens here. Okay, and over here is where I'm going to build the rotors. This, not the rotors, the straighters. But we might not get to that tonight. Okay. That looks high enough. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now need three splitters. Oh, shouldn't we also build the smelters? Smelters would be a good idea. Okay. Okay, that's mergers. Mergers and acquisitions. Okay. What I think I'm going to do, since I'm bringing those up and I'm bringing them into a total of 5, I'm going to, yeah, I'll go ahead. There we go. Oh, that's going. Yep. Okay. Now we need to build constructors. 5 of them. And I should have built it in a slightly different order. Oh, I can live with that. Okay. Rebuild those and see how they are going. Okay. Okay, 3. Okay. Oh, no, no merger. I need splitters. Three, 4, and 5. Okay. And that's all powered up. These need to be turned into iron rods. Okay. Now I need. I don't think I need this much here. We will see how that works. I think I'm going to need to get some more iron plates, but that's not a big deal. Actually, oh, I need iron plates. Well, let's go back to my base and grab some iron plates. Should probably grab a couple more, another stack of stitched plates too if they're available. We'll see what happens when we get there, though. And yes, that is the train tracks that I'm starting to build, so I can get rubber and plastic over here, because I'm going to be building my building everything else I need to finish the stage I'm at. That will take a little bit of time. Okay, that should be enough of those. Let's see how we're doing. Let's grab another stack for as much as I can of iron reinforced plates. Okay, well, we're done there then. Yes, and if you watched the last stream, you would have seen where I was building my nice little oil production over on the coast. And that train track is going to be going over to that way so I can bring stuff back and take some stuff over there too, because I need smokeless powder and, well, I can't make that here. Okay. Okay. This 5. Okay. Now what I want to do is from here, I want to start building, let's go one more. Let's start building out the assemblers. We need 5 of them. Oh, crud. Need more cables. Got plenty of those back at the base as well. So we'll run back there and grab some more. Okay. There's my little cement plant. And there, 400 cables should be enough. There we go, on our way back. I'm glad this goes quick. Nice auroras. There's how far I've gotten so far in the project. Again, the train tracks. Actually, whoops. We're building 5 of these. 3, 4, and 5. And they are going to be building rotors. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is the screws will kind of come in. Actually, I'm going to try to put the screws in on either side. We need 8 E. This will be for the screws coming in. I'm going to route them so that they start on the outside and work their way in. One, two. Okay, actually, that one will be turned into a merger. Yep. Okay. And Mark III belts. Okay. Okay, that's 1/2 of the screws coming up. And there we go. Screws are all going in. Now, for here, we need splitters. Four. Okay, 3. And oh, that one didn't line up that properly. And okay, Oh, we need to build the mergers now. Three, 4, and watch out. That last step is a doozy. I didn't line everything. Wow. There we go. Now I just need to get power up here. There's that. Now this should put out 20 rotors per minute. And there is everything powered up and now chunking out. Okay, there we go. And then after that, I'll got to get these onto a belt moving over to there. This can all be on Mark 1 belts, fortunately. Because we're not producing insane numbers here. Just merely sane numbers. Okay. And that's the end of that. I think it's been about an hour. I think I'm going to go ahead and call it a night on the stream with this recording. I will pick back up where I left off next Wednesday at the same time. Thank you very much for the stream, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Stream off. Stop recording.